Welcome back. The Tyre Nichols case is now entering the legal stage.
So by now you've probably seen the video of the 29-year-old beaten by 5 Memphis police officers following a traffic stop. We have attorney Casey Garrett here now to talk more about this case. They face second-degree murder charges. Right. What are prosecutors going to be looking for in that video to win a conviction?
Sure. I mean, just what everybody kind of knows, whether or not the suspect was using force against the officers that justified them to use such extreme force. I think the body cameras speak for themselves, but those are the kinds of things they're going to be looking for.
And as we take a look at the very video that sparked all of this, will all of these images be admissible in court?
So with body cameras, it's a little bit just like scene photos, right? Or scene surveillance. Let's say you had it at like a gas station for a robbery or something. Yes, the depiction of the crime itself would be admissible. Now there's some issues with audio. Not all audio would be admissible because those are governed by the rules regarding hearsay and that type of thing, and that would have to be sort of parsed out in court. But yes, typically a photo or a video of the actual crime or crime scene would be admissible, as long as somebody can say that it's accurate.
You're a defense attorney, Casey. What is their defense going to be? I mean, this is on video. This man, his hands restrained behind his back. What are they going to argue?
Well, that's an excellent question, and it seems like it's going to be an uphill battle. One thing that's challenging and complicated is releasing videos this early, what that does to the fairness of a trial for these people. You know, these are things that typically should be admitted in court and not necessarily played for, you know, the general public. I mean, that's obviously debatable. You want transparency, but you also want to protect somebody's rights. I mean, these people are being tried right now on these videos, and really that should be saved for court. But honestly, Sally, that's going to be challenging, and there's a lot that's going to, I'm sure, be developed. It's way too soon to know a lot of things, but the video is very stunning.
And we have found a couple of other people with the department let go, even EMS workers being questioned about the timing of all this and the care that this man received. What other punishments or what other kind of problems, criminal charges could come about from somebody who wasn't actually there on the scene participating in what happened to him? Yeah,
that's a great question. I mean, when something like this happens, obviously a very bright light is shown on everybody's behavior. And there are some allegations that the EMTs stood around, didn't act quickly, didn't, respond to certain cues that he was giving off. There are allegations that there was some joking and talking about things and not acting, and that's very, very damning. I mean, they needed to, and again, we need to wait and see what all of the evidence shows, but failure to act, there could be lots of administrative implications, as we've seen, them getting fired or put on suspension, and, civil lawsuits for sure, for wrongful death, that type of thing. Failing to act and failing to step in, we saw it. We've seen it in lots of police situations like this.
This case just beginning now, so those 5 former officers will be in court next month for their arraignment. We'll find out more then. Thanks so much, Casey.
You bet. Good to see you.